If you're heading into the alpine regions this winter, one of the most important things to pack, even more important than your best thermal socks, is a set of snow chains. In fact, in many areas, it's the law to have them with you just in case. Here's how and when to fit your snow chains. Make sure your car is somewhere safe, switched off and with the park brake applied. On level ground is best and somewhere away from traffic flow and potential other hazards. Ideally a chain fitting bay, which are provided in most alpine areas. Remove the chains from their case, spread out the chain to make sure there are no twists and to establish the orientation. Ideally you should fit chains to all four wheels, but if only a pair are available, you'll need to fit them to the driven wheels. If you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, the rear wheels are the safest bet. Two simple bits of kit that will make your life a lot easier are a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean and warm, while your knees will thank you for a tarp or improvised mat. To fit the chain, feed the plastic tube around the back of the wheel and connect it to complete the circle on the inner edge of the tyre using the socket connector. Now working at the outside face of the wheel, locate the connection hooks, which are often brightly coloured for identification, and link them together. Then locate the tensioner. There are a few different designs, but they all allow a bit of slack chain or cable to be located into a hook before pulling tight. Then secure the untensioned slack with the end hook to prevent it flailing when the wheel turns. Now drive the car forward at least one full wheel revolution and recheck all the connection points and the chain tension. You're now ready to set off, but take it easy. The roads are still slippery and your car will handle differently with the chains fitted. Snow chains are not intended for use at speed, with many manufacturers recommending driving no faster than about 30 or 40 km per hour. Chains must only be used on snow-covered roads. As soon as there's clear asphalt again and it's safe to do so, remove them. Our favourite snow chain tip is to practice fitting at least one before you arrive at the snow. That way you'll know exactly what you need to do on the day should the conditions require.